let's start. Target phrases ክንርኢና ተደጋጋሚ እንጥቀመለን phrases መጀመሪያ ክንርአኒና first one እዚኣ I'm calling to check on dash.
I'm calling to check on
dash.
dash
ሕጂ ብዝኾነ መልኣክ ትኽእል ኢኻ ብዛዕባ እንታይ ቸክ ክገብር ዝብል ኣለኹ let's say ዋይፋይ ክትኮን ትኽእል ኢኻ I'm calling to check on the Wi-Fi. Okay? ብዛዕባ ዋይፋይ ቸክ ክገብር እየ ዝብል ኣለኹ ወይ ከዓ ብዛዕባኻ I'm calling to check on you. ብዛዕባኻ ቸክ ክገብር እየ ዝብል ኣለኹ ወይ ታይም-ቴብል ተኮይኑኻ I'm calling to check on the timetable. Okay?
timetable, yeah.
So let's say you called me and I asked you, why do you call?
I'm checking to call on the Wi-Fi.
Okay, very good. استنى ماذر check قبري لقيت ولا لا.
Just the structure. I'm calling to check on my mother.
Very good. Check on my mother. Very good. Class.
I am calling to check on the class timetable.
Very nice. Very good. That's it.